What is up, guys? I am currently at work and welcome back to the channel. I'm almost about to go on lunchtime right now, my favorite time of the day, and we are going to be reviewing our lunch and where we are going to be having it, so stay tuned. Alright, the time is now 2:30. Well, almost 2:30 according to my Apple Watch, but who cares? By the time I'm ready, I walk out the door. It's going to be 2:30, lunchtime, and today we will be visiting Dollar Shop. Yeah, we live in Portland, know about Dollar Shop. Well, my town of Portland know about Dollar Shop, so go to Dollar Shop, go buy a cheap food and thing, and see it taste. Eat up the supervisor, Miss Jackie, now, and make sure no one say it's time to go. Miss Jackie, lunchtime.
Okay. Our time.
2:30. Exact. Well, at 2:29. Almost 2:30. Yes. So right now we're out tonight out by the street. Yeah, it's a pretty nice day. Gonna flip the camera around so you guys. So right now we're up on William Street. Walking up William Street right now to the Dollar Shop. So it's very intense basically. What more can I say about that? Whole lot of people, whole lot of traffic, sun, kids coming from school, people going to work, people doing harmony and shit and but it is what it is. Wow. Yeah, and every now and again, from just walking your feet, you make a familiar face, but for the most part, we are almost at Dollar Shop. So I have to be holding the phone a bit discreetly just to capture this video, not to look not to attract any attention still, Alright, so here we are, Dollar Shop, cheapest food in Portland only. Just a lot of one food. Quick and easy. A couple more people in front of me, so halfway.
Fried chicken or one beef.
I get a 5 bills fried breast. What kind of grill you have? What kind? Can get the beef one, no veg or pasta. You can put a good amount of gravy on it. Just place the order. Just place the order now, just away from the food, from my face. Sweat all over, brother. Thanks.
Beef gravy pan.
Wow. So, just collect the food. Just have a walk back a nice place so we can have it, eat it, sit comfortable, and indulge in the hot food I'm having on my hand now. Is it? Depending on where you go to the supermarket, grab a juice, can't eat food, and then wash it down, So we'll grab something quick and something cheap. Keep the budget low. We're there now in Chinaman supermarket, as you can see right now. So I'll grab one cheap juice. Oh, damn, it's hot in here, man. Maybe one Coke. Coca-Cola. cash out now.
I'm not catching that.
Ginny, no business around Ginny. Where you gone for?
You mean get my fish that one place?
What you mean? When you gamble, I give you money, you know. Might as well just give me it and done.
No, but no, most of the time, broke and we don't look money just coming handy.
No, man. When you broke, you can't come link me. I can't come link you back to somebody.
Juju?
Yes, man.
That's the year that day?
Yes, man. $50 grab it. Which one? This?
Please.
Hey, Ginny.
You want to say I'm not the bag?
Ginny, then grab a crispy, man. I want to go on there,
Hey, even with Chris, you know, so we are.
Alright, Ginny. Thank you, Ginny.
Yeah. Even with Chris.
So we have bought our lunch finally, and we're going to do is tally the cost of it and see how it tastes and see if it can keep us satisfied until the end of the working day. Yeah. So what we have here, I'm gonna show you. 600 Jamaican dollars, a Coca-Cola, big bottle. You know, that's what the 591 milliliter or 20 FLZ, whatever, OZ, whatever that is. And we have a small box food, you know. Here we have it. This is breasts, 2 nice size breasts, filled up to the brim with I would call this. Yes, brother. I would call this beef gravy. Yes. So I asked the person who shared it to give me a whole lot of beef gravy on there, and I ordered chicken breasts, as you can see, you know. On presentation, yes, I mean, it's budget, you know. There's not much you can expect from a presentation like this. I mean, the meat is a bit more brown on some sides, you know, as you can see right there, and a little bit lighter on some other sides, as you can see right there. But that's completely fine, you know. This looks like a fair amount of meat as well, you know. As you can see right there, it's big enough. And so far the fork can just go right through it. It isn't giving a whole lot of resistance. So nice sizes of meats, that as you can see right there. But one thing I'm not really fond of though is, you know, the crispiness of the flour that they use, you know. Like, I think they fry it a bit too much, and I'm fearing that the meat could be a little bit dry. But then again, like, you're spending $500 for 2 pieces of breast, some rice, and any kind of gravy you want, you know. And it looks well done, it looks well cooked, you know, well seasoned properly and all of that. And as I said, the food itself is $500 and the juice is like $120, $130, so that's about $600, give or take, you know. So we're about to dive in and test it out. Alright, so, you know, when you like to do still, I like to sample the rice first, you know, because rice give me the best for last, which is the meat. These people do serve vegetables and what do you call that? Vegetables and pasta, the thing with the mayo on it, you know. They do sell those, they do serve those with their food, no matter the cost of which you want to pay. But I don't really is fond of raw vegetables from anyone other than myself, you know. And the same goes for pasta. Like, if I'm not preparing it myself, then I won't be having it, you know. That is just my preference, to see a little bit more healthier and safer in this world, you know, because you can't exactly just eat it. So here we go on with the rice test now, you know. Take us a nice little forkful, one with the, you know, enough gravy upon it. Alright. Wow. The rice is, oh, I like to point out, the rice isn't shelly. It's quite soft, you know. And as you can see, there's just a little bit of peas in there. So that is something to keep in mind. If you don't mind not having a whole lot of peas, then this is the place for you, right? And as I said, the rice isn't shelly, it's quite moist and kind of stick together nice, especially like with the gravy too, So I would give like rate the rice like a 7 out of 10. It's shelly, but it's sticky at the same time, fluffy, like well cooked. I don't taste any rice shells as yet, So that is a win for me. Yes, as I was saying about the rice, it's really okay. Can't really complain. Can't complain about the rice at all. It's fine. And the beef gravy, salty and sweet. That's why I think that you should have beef gravy with a little bit of sweetness in there, Give the food a different layer of taste. Me personally, when I go to restaurants and things like these, I never actually. Say for instance, if I'm ordering chicken, typically in Jamaican restaurant places, when you order chicken, they give you some kind of a ketchup mix up kind of thing, And to me, that tastes completely horrible. So I don't normally order that shit, So if I go to a restaurant and I order a chicken food and I can't get any other gravy on it except that ketchup shit, I don't want it. You can keep that. So gravy for me is up there. So I give the gravy a 8 out of 10, There's the flavor of the beef in there. I generally love how they play with it. With the bit of sweetness in there, I like that. I don't know the rice have to done first before jump on the meat train. Come on. Forgive me for the lack of talking, Alright now, been working all morning and I'm hungry. The rice alright, and the gravy is very superb. This is a bone in the gravy is typical. I don't mind them at all. It's more welcome than not welcome actually, So I'm cool with that. As I say, so buy from dollar shop, don't expect no whole heap of peas in the food. Unless they must have like some sort of overstocking of peas that they need to use up for some shit like that. But normally they don't get fucking peas like these foods, brother. Alright. I don't normally eat and drink like that. Eat first, drink later. Yeah? Alright. Finally reaching meat segment now. Scrape up some of that rice there and push it apart. Sample the meat. First of all, the meat isn't too hard to break apart. Which if you fry the chicken and it's too dry, it would have hard to break up, Like it would have hard to just split one piece in two without the help of some sort of knife or something, So it is a bit trashy, as you can see. It's a bit trashy, But then again, it can still be good. First of all, this last meat dry. This bumbuck of meat dry. This meat dry, brother. Why? If I used to eat and drink, brother, I'm supposed to have a water handy. And the shit are choking. Dry in the bumbuck, I swear. Why I'm here eating this? I mean, crunch is still there from the flour there, you know. But it's too crunchy, brother. It's too crunchy. Like you burn up chicken. Yeah. I don't know if I can hear that. Yeah. Jesus Christ. I'm like a son me I eat, brother. I'm like a son me I eat. Answer. I mean, to be fair still, that the piece when I broke off and just eat, that was more closer to the bone. You see me? So, I'll try eat a piece away. Oh, brother. How are you, son? Not a bit of mice in there. What's up? Where? Brother, the chicken are dry, brother. So, show you guys what I want still. Alright, so this is chicken. Basically, you can see, brother, this shit fucking burn up. You know, like it fry too long, you stay too long in the oil, brother. It's dry out. Put it. Put it. Sir, that right there is more of the gravy. That little black part right there in the center, that's more of the gravy. But so just to show you, say, oh, them chicken here dry, brother. You see, this will not be enjoyable for anyone. Just make sure, say, if you go to the dollar shop to buy, make sure, say, you buy a bottle of water plus the next bottle of water, you know. Jesus Christ, this is it, you're going to choke up the first bottle of water where you have, but you're going to need the next bottle of water to wash down the first set. I swear to you, brother. Yeah, so I mean, from a budget perspective, you see me? From a budget perspective, you see me? Like this, it's okay for the cost, you know. You can survive off it, you can eat it, it won't kill you, you know. You just have to put up with the dry chicken. So far the rice is okay. As I said, I give them rice a 7 out of 10. But the chicken I get a 2 out of 10, brother. Not even seasoning, me not taste on that bumbo clot. I just fucking crunch as, brother. Like a crackers or biscuit me and with a little bit of chicken seasoning on it or some shit. And the chicken is very dry, very trashy and very dry. How can you enjoy fried chicken when it's dry and trashy, so, brother? You see me? And then again, maybe that's why the food is so cheap, because the chef can't cook, but what am I to say, you know? But the chicken, as well, I say 2 out of 10, the rice 7 out of 10, and but that's like the overall meal, a cook plus a 500 of food. That's basically 630. So anybody that's on a tight budget, you know, just find a place to sell 500 of food and keep your expectations them low, you know, and. Make my food go to waste, bro. I'm hungry, look here. I feel I'm dry chicken. Dry no bumbo club. Mini? Dollar shop chicken a choke, my brother. Dollar shop chicken. Yes, brother. Blood clot. Tell you. No man, that one is extra dry, brother. Fried chicken alone in there. You must say 2:30 me get lunch, you know. Blood clot. Come like them bail at the island and put it in there. And make it dry out. Blood clot, could you want? Not even look at juice or squeeze out it.
It's about everything. Everything.
Nah, but dead feel hungry because chicken dry still.
I don't take off one little piece and eat.
Mix it up with some rice.
Because after the Barbie Friday try to see we about 3 of on the sauce one day never so far.
Wet it up. With some rice to go back in there. Chef boy look like he don't know if he fry chicken. All the something the gravy and put on it.
What?
Beef gravy.
And it's still not taste good?
No, the beef gravy tastes good.
Oh.
Tastes damn good. We don't know how him a cook beef so good and can't fry chicken, brother.
No, because probably I saw chicken nice to him. The chicken must dry.
The man thump him in the eye.
As the taste piece and pork and the pork, the taste good, but probably I saw him cook chicken.
I do chicken, especially breast, man. They could juice and come out of it, man. Jesus Christ.
And your rice not taste bad.
Ah.
Your rice tastes better.
The rice good, man. Rice tastes better than most of them boy down here.
Tastes better than salsa when salsa tastes a top.
As a place.
I start buy one for $5 food. You cannot buy salsa, go buy $600 food and rice, coffee, and you know taste good.
Alright. Some my rice cook and some might not cook.
We can't cook. That's one thing we know in a perfect, but we can't cook and we know when rice not cook good and we buy rice from something when me share careful with me dog.
Yeah. Man come like say chew a whole heap of rice in a pot, brother. Rice now cook.
Yes, that's what they do. That's what they do.
But don't look on my phone, brother.
So, listen to me. When you're doing something, tell me what you're doing, let me pass.
What?
Tell me what you're doing, don't let me pass.
Don't make it, you never there no more. Just dip on a video call. Mm-hmm. I don't want nobody see you.
No.
Why not?
No.
You're not fit for the camera.
No, I must be heard but not be seen. Where you there,
Oh, you're from police.
I am the most wanted.
Okay. Thank God the water come back to blood clot.
What?
Some would have most choking up. Thank you for tuning in and I hope you are here for the next episode of Lunchtime Reviews. Big up on yourself.